Finding the perfect king-size bed frame shouldn't feel overwhelming. A quality bed frame does more than hold your mattress. It transforms your bedroom into a comfortable sanctuary. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best king-size bed frames that deliver on durability, style, and real value. We'll cover weight capacity, assembly ease, noise-free performance, and those smart features you actually need. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Allewie king-size bed frame, and this upholstered beauty brings serious style without breaking the bank. You're getting premium faux leather or fabric upholstery that's actually waterproof and surprisingly easy to clean when life happens. The adjustable headboard system is brilliantly simple. 3 different height settings that let you customize based on your mattress thickness. Whether you're rocking an 8-inch mattress or a luxurious 14-inch memory foam, this frame adjusts to look proportional and balanced. The engineering here is solid with a 900-pound weight capacity. What really impressed me was the EVA mute bar system. This clever addition sits between the slats and frame, eliminating that annoying friction noise that cheaper frames produce. You can move around at night without sounding like you're in a creaky haunted house. The wooden slats are well spaced and sturdy. Here's what you should know though. The assembly process, while straightforward at about 30 minutes, requires 2 people for the headboard attachment. If you're setting this up solo, you might struggle holding the headboard in position while tightening bolts. It's not a deal breaker, just plan accordingly. The color options are fantastic: black, white, beige, and dark gray, so you can match virtually any bedroom aesthetic. For the price point, you're getting a frame that looks like it belongs in a luxury hotel. No box spring needed means you're saving money there too, and the overall value proposition makes this a smart entry point. At number 4, we have the legendary Zinus SmartBase, and this thing is an absolute workhorse. If you've spent any time on Reddit bedroom forums, you've seen this recommended over and over, and there's a reason. It just works flawlessly every single time. The construction is heavy-duty steel that supports up to 1,500 pounds on the king size. That's not marketing hype. Users report putting multiple people on this frame without a single creak or flex. The 14-inch height gives you 13 inches of underbed storage clearance, which is perfect for those storage bins or seasonal items. Here's where this frame absolutely shines: tool-free assembly. No screwdriver, no Allen wrenches, no frustration. The frame unfolds and clicks into place in literally under 10 minutes. I've seen reviewers time themselves, and the average is 7 minutes from box to fully assembled bed. That's incredible for a king frame. What you should consider though, this is a minimalist platform frame with 0 headboard. If you need that finished look with a headboard or want built-in storage shelves, this isn't your solution. It's purely functional, which is perfect for some people, but not everyone's aesthetic preference. The compact shipping is genius. Everything arrives in one narrow box that's easy to maneuver upstairs or through tight hallways. The 5-year warranty backs up the quality, and thousands of users report these frames lasting 5, 7, even 10 years without issues. For pure reliability and simplicity, this is unbeatable value at this price point. Number 3 brings us into the modern tech-integrated territory with the LIKIMIO frame. This is the bed frame for people who want functionality that matches today's lifestyle, and that built-in charging station is an absolute game changer. The 2-tiered storage headboard puts everything you need within arm's reach. USB ports and standard outlets are built right in, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or reading light without searching for wall outlets. The shelves hold books, glasses, alarm clocks, or decorative items perfectly. Construction quality here is seriously impressive. The 1.57-inch thick round tube frame is noticeably beefier than standard frames, and you feel that stability the moment you lie down. With a 1,200-pound weight capacity and 12 solid wooden slats, this frame doesn't flex or wobble whatsoever. Here's what you should consider though. With all those features comes a slightly more complex assembly process. You're looking at 45 to 60 minutes instead of 30. The instructions are clear and parts are labeled well, but there are simply more pieces to connect because of the integrated headboard features. The 12 inches of underbed clearance gives you serious storage options, and the anti-scratch foot pads protect your floors beautifully. What customers rave about most is the noise-free design. Even with all those metal connections, the secure fittings and reinforced joints means zero squeaking during movement. Taking the number 2 spot is the Zinus Tricia wood platform bed frame. And this is the choice for people who want that classic, timeless furniture look without the furniture store markup. Real wood construction meets modern engineering here, and the result is stunning. The solid wood exterior combined with steel interior support gives you the best of both worlds. You get that authentic wood grain aesthetic that works with literally any bedroom decor style, while the hidden steel structure provides the strength and durability you actually need for daily use. During assembly, you choose from 3 headboard heights: 39.8, 43.3, or 46.9 inches. This adjustability during setup means you're customizing the frame to your exact mattress thickness and personal style preference. Once you decide and lock it in, it stays secure and stable for years. The 700-pound weight capacity is solid for most couples and mattress types. The wood slat system eliminates any need for a box spring, and that lower profile design creates really nice underbed clearance for storage bins or even robot vacuums to cruise through. Something to consider though, being real wood, this frame is heavier than metal or upholstered alternatives. Moving it between rooms or during relocation requires a bit more muscle, but that weight is also what contributes to the stability and premium feel. Plus, Zinus backs this with a 5-year warranty, which shows they stand behind the quality. Taking the top spot is the Novilla king-size bed frame, and this is the complete package that checks every important box. Recent launch, cutting-edge design, and performance that's earned thousands of 5-star reviews from people sleeping on it nightly. The adjustable headboard ranges from 35.6 to 49.5 inches, offering the widest accommodation range on this list. Whether you're using an 8-inch memory foam or a 14-inch pillow top, this frame adjusts perfectly. That matters because improper headboard height ruins the entire aesthetic and can affect mattress support. The 1,200-pound weight capacity comes from combining metal frame structure with 12 solid wood slats, the best of both materials. High-density foam padding throughout the frame prevents metal-on-metal contact, while Velcro-secured slats eliminate the shifting and creaking that develops over time in lesser frames. The consideration here is the upholstered design requires occasional maintenance. A quick vacuum every few weeks keeps dust and allergens from settling into the fabric. It's minimal effort, but metal-only frames obviously need zero fabric care. Small trade-off for the superior aesthetics and comfort. What pushes this to number 1 is the noise-free guarantee that actually holds up in real-world use. Assembly takes 30 to 60 minutes with clearly labeled parts and included tools. Multiple color options, beige and dark gray, lead the pack, mean it integrates seamlessly with existing bedroom decor. 5 king-size bed frames represent the best options available right now on Amazon. From budget-friendly platforms to feature-packed smart frames, there's something here for every bedroom and every budget. Check those description links below and upgrade your sleep setup today.